What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Cinn, and I'm back with another video. Excuse my hair, it's a hot mess, but I'm about to do this slick button tutorial for y'all. Hopefully I accomplish it, because last time it took me forever. But anyways, in order to do this, you're gonna need Eco styling gel, if y'all can see it. Eco, an edge toothbrush, an edge brush, a rat tail comb, and a regular brush. Anyways, all right, to begin, you gotta comb all the front down. Your back too. I got rid of thick hair. And you gotta make sure your part has like a curve in it, because you don't want it to be too straight. But anyways, yeah, you gotta have a part. Okay, now on this side, you wanna put your Eco, your edge toothbrush, and just bring it down. Now me, on this side, I like 3 swoops. So you just gotta go in on, you just gotta swoop until you like how it looks. I don't really use my edge brush because I think the edge toothbrush does better. And just bring it down to like however many swoops you want. Hold on, you come up. Don't use too much because Eco dries quick, and when it dries, it's gonna be hard to swoop. Y'all probably wondering why I'm looking this way. I got a mirror behind the camera. This side really the hardest side. I really like to do this side last, cause it's hard. I'm gonna just do this side first. So you wanna apply all the gel in the front and just brush it forward. Don't brush it straight to the back, because you want to swoop in the front. So you like brush it on your forehead. And then when you get in the front, make sure you get it as straight as possible. And mine, I'm not gonna put my bun to the back. I'm gonna put it to the side. I'm not leaving my baby hairs like this. I'm gonna just do those last. But yeah, you just brush and brush and brush until it's all evened out all the way around. Almost evened out. Brushing it straight enough, but this not how it's gonna look. If you got thick hair, you gonna need a lot of gel in the front so it can lay flat. And this little thingy, you gotta make sure it's like even, and then you just brush it all to the bun. To make sure it's even, you can use the comb or the edge brush, and it'll get even. And whenever some people are finished, they use the headscarf to like let it lay down, but I really don't. And this side will take the longest, because I try to perfect it. Can you get out?
I want to come see.
Get out! Like, what the hell? And you just swoop it and swoop it. All right, that's 2, but I don't really like this one. I like the deep look. But once you like brush it kind of slick, take your scrunchie back out. And don't forget to like brush your kitchen area up. Unless you got curly hair, because some girls like to leave the curls in the back. But I like it all like in your bun. You bring it all the way to the side that you swoop on, and you just wrap it around like tight. Because you don't want like a donut on the side of your head. You just want like a little regular lip bun, because I feel like that's cuter. For like the wild hairs, you just need a rubber band. Or you could use bobby pins. I grab my edge toothbrush and I just bring this down, because I just think it's cute like that. See? And on this side, you want to do the same thing. But I'm going to have to fix these, because I really don't like them. You just grab another rubber band if you got wild hairs around your bun, and you just secure it. And then after that, there you have it. A slick bun. It's not my absolute perfection. I usually do better than it, but this'll work. I'm gonna wear this bun all day. And there you have it, my slick bun. Like, subscribe, and turn on your bell for more videos. And comment down below what y'all want me to do next. Thank y'all.